The Selvage Jeans Sewing Tutorial. This is the slow version, part 1, the pattern. Look for the link to the fast version. The pattern online is interactive, easily linked to the pattern page, videos and help pages. Everything you need is included in the pattern. Pattern info, fabric and notions, and all the cutting out layouts. To print just the pattern, print from page 9. I have a heavy duty zip, sewing threads, iron-on interfacing, and pocket bag fabric. And of course the selvage denim, in this great colour. It has a distinctive raw edge, and I may match the top stitching thread to the red in the selvage. I have pre-washed the denim. My patterns are quick to assemble. No trimming or matching up symbols. Just butt the pages together and tape. You will find this pattern at angelakane.com/sewing-jeans. It is available in 10 sizes, 26 to 44. And if you have joined as a member, this pattern is included. It is one of 50 or more classic sewing patterns for members. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to keep up to date. A large pattern like this one is easy to manage. Just slide the sheet off the table and hold down with a weight. And continue to tape up. It takes me about 10 minutes to assemble a pattern of this size. If you are in a hurry and would like to watch this tutorial in one go, look for the link below. In less than 45 minutes, I'll show you how to make these jeans. If you need to alter the leg length, now is the time. Draw a line across the leg halfway between crotch and knee, and another between knee and the hemline. Then slash and spread or overlap as needed. So we are ready to cut out the fabric. Traditional Japanese selvage denim is produced on a narrow loom. The width is usually around 30 inches, 80 centimetres. More often than not, you will need to cut out on a single layer. Cut right side up and invert all pieces marked as cut 2. See the shaded pieces on the cutting out layouts. Also, be sure to place backs and fronts along the selvage edge. This will give you the signature selvage showing at the cuff. Make sure all the pieces fit on before you cut out. This is especially important when cutting a single layer. You are going to be turning pattern pieces over face down. If you are not confident doing this, print a second copy of the pattern for laying face down. I have a story about designing these selvage jeans. A young man from the US contacted me about a collaboration. He was planning to write a book about selvage jeans and asked me if I would like to design the pattern. We would raise money online to fund the project. Investors would earn themselves a pair of Angela Kane designed, custom-made selvage jeans. Ultimately, we would share the profit from the book and the pattern. He was a charming and likeable young man, and I was up for the challenge. I got busy designing and testing the pattern. We got closer to starting our funding campaign and closer to committing to making up the bespoke jeans for investors. But my partner had done little towards writing his book. All the effort was on my side, and a great deal of effort it was too. I therefore pulled the idea before it was too late. The outcome of it was that I had a great pattern to add to my collection. I wouldn't have chosen to design selvage jeans, but as it turned out, this is my biggest selling pattern. This is a little distorted as the majority of other patterns are acquired through membership of my site, rather than an individual sale. This experience taught me a valuable lesson about collaboration. Make absolutely sure that your partner is as committed as you are right from the beginning. The downside was that it interrupted my plans for new women's wear patterns. But this jeans pattern has proved to be so successful, I don't now feel too bad about the experience. So enough of this cautionary tale. All the pieces are ready. I have marked dots with tailor tacks and snipped all the notches. All the small pieces are marked up. I have one fly extension and two interfacing pieces, both cut sticky side down. The pocket bag is cut from pocketing fabric. I have a strip of interfacing for the waistband cut without seam allowance. In part 2, I will be sewing the fly zip. Thank you for watching this extended tutorial for sewing selvage jeans. If you haven't already done so, check out the pattern. You'll find it at angelakane.com/sewing-jeans.